Just a very quick update. It's day 24 and I've found 24 more things to declutter. Here we have a couple of books. We've got 12 glasses. I've had so many glasses. It really wasn't necessary to keep them all. So there's 6 wine glasses in their box. I've got other champagne glasses. When am I ever going to serve champagne to 12 people in my apartment? Probably never. So champagne glasses are going. Extra wine glasses are going. There's a bottle of something fizzy there that is very, very sweet, not for me, so that's going. A couple of cans of some fizzy thing that a friend bought, right there going. So, oh, and chickpeas. Chickpeas are terrible for my gut. They don't agree with me at all. And some part here, this something to do with the barbecue. That's got to go. There it is, day 24. All going out the door.